Sometimes you have these bases that have a concentric pot that's directly connected to a PC board. It's very dangerous to get in there and try and solder these out because you can destroy the traces and you'll end up out of luck and have to get a new system. So I have this concentric pot and the tip of the shaft is broken off, so it's useless at this point. And I'm going to show you how to fix these. Here's the new pot that we're going to use. And what I'm going to do is disassemble this pot, and I'm going to leave these soldered into the board. And I'll show you how I do that. So the first thing you got to do is disassemble the pot. What I do is get an X-Acto back behind here and lift up these tabs gently, just so you can get a pair of pliers in there and straighten them out the rest of the way. This is very delicate work. If you don't feel comfortable, just bring it to your local guy. You can point him to this video, and maybe he'll get some pointers, and maybe not. So once you got that all tightened up, you just straighten these out the rest of the way, like so. Then you lift the back of the pot off. And this shroud here comes right off, like so. Okay, that will release this part. If you give a gentle tug, these pieces will come off. Okay, there we go. So now what we're left with are our two pieces still soldered to the board. And we just have to work those away so that all we leave is our three tabs. Oops, sorry. We need to work those away, get rid of these pieces, so all we have is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs left to the board. And that is where we're going to put our new pot. Same deal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right on there. All right. Now, what's the best way to get rid of this material and still salvage everything else? It looks like it's pressed on with rivets. Yes, those are rivets. I'll bet I can drill those rivets out. I like that plan. Let me get a 1/16 drill bit and try and drill those out. Alright. You know, 1/16 might be too small. Well, let's give it a shot. We'll see where we're at. 1/16 will do it. There's one rivet gone. All right, let me get the rest of these. Not to apply too much heat. Just real quick, in and out, and that should do it for you. Then we're going to take each one of those leads and put them onto these lugs. All right, so there we have it. So our old lugs from the PC board are now soldered to the 6 lugs on the new concentric pot. Let's see if it works. All right, so here's the guitar that had the concentric pot that we fixed up. Here's the bass. Here's the treble. Works great. Hope you enjoyed this. If you got something out of it, please like and subscribe. And remember, every machine is a smoke machine if you don't use it properly. Peace out.